how to send audio songs or music files on Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can send the audio song or file music files on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to send the audio songs or music on your Facebook Messenger, you can follow this method depending on your device. First of all, you have to launch the Messenger app on your device. Once you have launched the Messenger app, you have to choose the chat of the person you want to send the audio files to. So let's suppose as this. After that, you have to tap on the plus or the adjustment icon depending on your device. Plus icon which is usually look like a plus here. And after that, you can go for the files here. So once you are on your files, you can browse through the files and select the audio files that you want to send. After that, here you can go for the hamburger option and go for the download option. And here you can see the music option or any of the videos here. So here you can select from your so here you can select from your files and simply send it to the person that you want to send. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily send audio, song or music files on Facebook Messenger. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.